Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at CryptoZoon. CryptoZoon 300% already gaining profit, and just a couple of hours ago online on CoinGecko listed. So why they already have 22,000 holders? So let's have a look what CryptoZoon is and what exactly they are doing. CryptoZoon, a complete platform of digital creature universe live on the Binance Smart Chain. Here you have the contract. Here you can buy Zoon, their token, and here you can enter the app. So this is a play to earn game, the first ecosystem to combine the greatest aspects of gaming and digital collectible. So this is one of the first guys who want to show us it is good to have crypto and it is better to play for it and earn more crypto, right? So let's have a look. They have here fight monsters. They have a farming, so you can farm this token, breeding and grow, training and battle against each other. That's a nice future. CryptoZoon is inspired by Pokemon story. Our mission is to build a comprehensive platform of digital monsters that will enable millions of individuals to participate in the NFT and blockchain-based gaming world in a simple, creative, and enjoyable way. So that sounds nice. I can play with crypto and for crypto and earn more crypto in the in-game. How to play? Owned to participate in CryptoZoon, you must have at least one zone or items. You can own in a variety of methods, including purchasing on the NFT marketplace, purchasing eggs, or purchasing from other players. Play to earn, perform daily quests to acquire more Zoon tokens and get profit while assisting CryptoZoon in escaping the Yaki Empire's invasion. And repeated, use Zoon tokens to acquire more Zoons with higher level to enhance your profits with CryptoZoon. Let's see the tokenomics. Disruption, play to earn 43%. This is play to earn. Monsters 14, farming 15, and training 14%. Pre-sale at 25%, they've already done. Liquidity pool 25%. Developers 5%. Sure, they also have to live from something, right? And the airdrop of 2%. CryptoZoon game roadmap. Phase 1 is already done. Folks, you can change this. You are listed already on CoinGecko, CoinMetrics Cap. I didn't look, but on CoinGecko you're already listed. Congratulations. Phase 2 public launch against Yaki bosses, X listing, etc. You can read this by yourself. They are also on Telegram, they are on Twitter, Instagram and Reddit. You can also contact them on support@CryptoZoon.io. What else they have to show? They have here an audit and take audit and the community for sure. They are on Telegram with an incredible 61,000 members and 9,400 are already online. We have here a Twitter account. Let's see some Twitter pictures, because I think you can earn a lot of tokens from them through the fights. And how here they write hold us 15,000, but I already see in Telegram they write they already achieved 22,000 holders. So that's nuts, right? In that short time, so many holders. And that speaks for CryptoZoon, you know. They have a little bit less pictures here, but I think you can enter the app and start to play here. I don't know how long it takes because I'm online now. Many things are working in the background and my computer is not the fastest. But here, yes, you have the starter pack, everything you need. Plasma egg, Hydrain egg, Skylar egg. So you can start with one of these guys. Stonic egg, random egg. And then I think you have your first hero or monster to play against other monsters, right? And also they have an NFT place where you can buy here some fighters or monsters which you can fight with them against others. You have the NFT ID. Here's an ox. Here's the rabbit, the cute rabbit. And you have here different levels, how strong they are. The stronger they are, the more they cost, sure. And we see a golem, a dragon. Many people like the dragon and it looks cute, this dragon. Experience, here you have level 2, here level 1, right? I think you have also marketplace. That means you can sell your own monster and fight against others. So folks, I think this is a big opportunity for CryptoZoon. This is a big opportunity for hodlers. And I think right now, look at the price. You know, it's a 4 cents. It's a 4-cent game. So just think about it. 100 exit, 1000 exit. I mean, this thing can go up to $10 easily. How many profits you see inside this CryptoZoon? I see a lot of profits because this is exactly what is already here. It's nothing new. I mean, it is new in the crypto world, right? But you always have just to buy something, right? But here you can buy and sell your stuff. You can use your crypto to build up your monsters and sell it, you know. And most of games outside are just buy something and make some other rich, right? But here you can be even a trader in this kind of monster trader. I became a monster trader, for example. So I like this project very much. I say it is a hit coin, and it will go up. It will go easily 100x. Easily, I see here 100x, you know. And let me think what you think about this project. Yeah, let me know what you think about this project. Write down into the description what you really think about CryptoZoon, and leave me a like. It will help me to grow this channel. For sure, subscribe. And now it's time to cut off because it's enough for today. It's very late. I must sleep. And you guys make some profits with CryptoZoon. I think 100x is easy to get, right? So see you later, alligator. Make some profits. Don't throw all your money inside. Be careful what you're doing always. But I see here a big, huge potential. So see you later, alligator. Until the next video. Bye.